Look at it, they get onto it too.
Oh my God.
They figure out how to get on there, they do. Look, he's right in there.
Oh my God, Rhett.
He figured it out.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Smile, you're on Katie camera.
Oh, Jack's gonna like this.
Huh?
Jack's gonna like this. Yeah. He's been waiting for how the squirrel's gonna try to get up there. Here comes down, Rhett. We gotta put this one on YouTube, Rhett.
I took a picture of you, Marge.
Did you? Look at him go, Rhett.
Look at him. Oh, God, laugh.
Oh my God, that is so funny, Rhett. He was determined he was going to get that bread. Look at him, Rhett.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, we're putting this on YouTube, Rhett.
All right.
Yes. Definitely. Now he's trying to think how to get down, Rhett.
Well,
Oh, there he goes.
He jumped off. He jumped off.
Oh my God.
Honey, how you get up there, Marge?
He said, okay, where's my food now?